Ko min halno. C'est moi qui avais parlé. It was I who had spoken. Ko an halno. C'est toi qui avais parlé. It was you who had spoken.
Ko kanko haalno. C'est lui qui avait parlé. It was he who had spoken. Ko kanko haalno. C'est elle qui avait parlé. It was she who had spoken.
Ko enen kalno. C'est nous qui avions parlé. It was we who had spoken.
Ko minen kalno. C'est nous qui avions parlé. It was we who had spoken. Ko onon kalno. C'est vous qui aviez parlé. It was you who had spoken. Ko kambe kalno e suzalno. C'est eux ou elles qui avaient parlé. It was they who had spoken.